Hello everyone, my name is Dominic and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And today I'm going to be reviewing the USB power bank audio recorder with 150 days of standby. If you find this video helpful, please like our video and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com. If you would like to purchase this product, click on the link in the upper left-hand corner or go to the description below and click on the link there. This is a power bank. You can use these to charge your phone or tablet on the go. This one is unique because it has a very high-end audio recorder built in that comes with advanced features such as true voice activation, time and date stamping, along with literally the longest battery life of any audio recorder on the market. It even comes with a detachable magnet, which can be extremely useful in the right situations. Now, let's circle back to the voice activation for a second. The first thing you should know is that all audio recorders that are voice activated are actually sound activated. This means that any sound will trigger recording. This could be a door closing, music, or even TV playing in the background, or even something as simple as footsteps. Virtually every voice-activated recorder consumes battery life even if it isn't recording. That's where this power bank is a little different. I call it true voice activation, because it will actually go to sleep when there isn't any sound. The reason why it does this is to conserve its battery life. This recorder can go up to 150 days on standby. That's 5 months. That's just amazing.
Let's take a look at everything that it comes with. So if we go ahead and open up the box here, very first thing that we're going to notice is going to, of course, be the audio recorder itself. So we got the USB power bank right here. Grab that. Okay, so the first thing we'll notice is on the back side we have the detachable magnet. This can be wonderful depending on the right circumstances, obviously just due to the fact that you could take it, stick it to something, do whatever you need to from there. So you will notice that we did get the USB charging cable with it as well. This is what you'll use to actually charge the device as well as transfer your files. And then the last thing in the box is going to be our manual. So this is a manual that is handwritten by us actually. So as you can see here, it's got all sorts of great information on it, so we definitely would recommend you refer to that if needed.
The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. SpyCentre is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. SpyCentre encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage.
Alrighty, so for the USB power bank audio recorder, there are actually two different recording modes. So if we look real closely right here at the front, we'll notice on the left hand side here, we have a solid line, and then on the right hand side, we got two little dots. So the solid line is going to be for our continuous space recording, and the two dots will be for our voice activated. So real quick for our test, I'm going to turn it to the continuous recording mode. So if I turn it over here to the left, give it a second here, we should see our red LED light up, meaning that it has started recording.
So now all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the device. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take a step into our back room real quick while me and Kenny perform a couple tests for you guys. Alrighty guys, so now we're in our back stock room, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to put the USB power bank audio recorder in my pocket so that me and Kenny can do a quick test. Just keep in mind, all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the recorder. Hey Kenny. How you doing? Good, good. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Alright, so I heard you got a pretty awesome review for me.
Yes, so this is a review received for the USB power bank audio recorder. Exceeded my expectations. I'm using the device with my elderly mother's consent to make sure that she's receiving the best care since I live out of state. When I listen to the recordings, it's like I'm in the room where the conversations are actually happening. So far, Mother is receiving excellent care.
Perfect. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the USB power bank audio recorder out of my pocket. We're going to take it up front and we're going to do a little distance test for you guys. Alrighty guys, welcome to our retail storefront. Me and Kenny are going to do a quick little conversation test for you, and how I'm going to do that is I'm going to take the USB power bank audio recorder and I'm going to put that in my pocket. Keep in mind, all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the device. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it in my pocket. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Doing pretty good.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio quality of the recorders. This is done in normal speaking volume.
Perfect. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the recorder out of my pocket. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hand it back over penny here real quick so that we can do a quick distance test. There you go. So this is a test of the audio quality at 10 feet. This is a test of the audio quality at 20 feet. And lastly, this is an audio quality test of the USB power bank at 30 feet. Keep in mind this test is done at a normal speaking volume.
I'm super impressed with this audio recorder. The battery life alone makes this thing worth every penny. The audio quality is on par with other high-end audio recorders we have used in the past, and it's so simple to use. If you are in need of an easy-to-use device with an extremely long battery life, I would definitely pick one of these up. We do monitor the comment sections of our videos, so if you have a question about this product or anything else, please feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you at our earliest convenience.